Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things for the very first time on camera so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Because if I can do this, you can too. Today we're baking Green Goddess herb biscuits. Green Goddess dressing got its start in 1923 at the San Francisco Palace Hotel, where they combined spinach, basil, and parsley with some mayonnaise into a lovely dressing. Those ingredients are going directly into these biscuits, which are going to be part cake flour, which is going to make them very soft, along with a little all-purpose flour as well. Today, I'm going to shred butter for the very first time. I've never done that before. I'm used to cutting that into pats and smushing it into the flour. Not doing that today, so watch along. We'll see how this goes. I'm also making it because I get to make up these fun lyrics to the song. Herb biscuits, they're the ones with the green goddess touch. A delicious munch. Munch? Well, yeah, because we're going to munch on the biscuits. Get it? First things first, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and get that rack in the top third of your oven. And put that butter in the freezer. Get it ready to go because we're going to grate it today. Cake flour, all-purpose flour, baking powder, garlic powder, salt. Whisk together. Grate your butter directly into the bowl. Using your hands, let these butter curls sort of fall into the dry ingredients. While we get the Green Goddess part of the recipe together, go ahead and put your dry ingredients with the butter in the refrigerator or freezer to keep them cool. Into your food processor or blender, add your buttermilk, spinach, parsley, basil, mayonnaise. Blend until vibrant green, anywhere from 20 to 60 seconds, depending on what appliance you're using. Take your cold butter and dry ingredients out of the refrigerator, add in your chives. Toss together. Make a well in the center for your wet ingredients. Add in your wet ingredients. Stir together, make sure incorporated. Make sure all the flour is coated and wet, but the dough will be shaggy looking, so we're getting close. Use a 1/3 cup measure or a scoop that's about 1/3 of a cup. I've sprayed it a lot with some oil. Round your scoops as needed. You should have a total of 8. If you're able to, add your biscuits to the freezer for about 20 to 30 minutes because it'll help them hold their shape. Remember how I did that with the Italian cookies? Same thing applies here. These are out of the freezer and it is cold, cold, cold. Make your egg wash, tablespoon of water to 1 egg yolk. Whisk together. Coat each biscuit with your egg wash. Sprinkle with a bit of black pepper. Into the oven for 10 minutes, then lower the temperature to 350 and bake for another 8 to 10. They'll be done when they're a light golden brown and they feel a little firm to the touch. All right, they look about done. Let's check them out. You can tell they're starting to get brown on the bottom and they are firm to the touch. Let's take them out. Let them cool here for a moment, anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes, and I'm going to move them over to cool completely. Well, that's a lie because I'm going to eat them when they're warm. Look at this Green Goddess herb biscuit. looks lovely, quite big. Got nice, lovely brown on the bottom. They smell heavenly, but it's all in the taste. So let's give it a try. Break off a piece here. Ooh, look how green they are inside. Very festive for all sorts of occasions. It's all in the bite. These are truly delicious. Those fresh herbs, well, fresh herbs pretty much make any recipe, but it definitely makes this one. You can't really taste the mayonnaise, but maybe there's a little bit of tang coming through, and they are so super soft. Maybe it was that grating of the butter. Could be the cake flour too, though. Either way, these are super, super good. If I can make these green goddess herb biscuits for the very first time on camera with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep those recipe requests coming, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.